The thirsty crow. It was a hot summer's day. A thirsty crow flew into a village searching for some water to drink. After a long time,
I think there is a pot of water.
Under one of the trees on the farm was a pot of water. The crow saw that there was very little water in the pot. The crow looked around. He saw some pebbles. An idea struck his mind.
I can use these pebbles to bring the water up.
He picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. As he dropped the pebbles into the pot, the water came up. Soon it was high enough for him to drink. He drank the water.
That was great.
He flew away happily. Moral: think and work hard. You may find solution to any problem.